Hey guys, it's Chef Matt here. I want to give you a quick tutorial on how to tweak your cost sheets to make them correct, and I'll show you the issue. So you're looking here at the example sheet that I gave in the class, and you'll notice down here at the bottom you have recipe cost and total plate cost that's in here. Now when you go to the second sheet, or the sheet where where you're putting in your information, you'll notice down here there's no recipe cost. So above where it says total plate cost, okay, we're going to click on that and we're going to put in recipe cost. All right. Then we come over to this cell right here, which is H30. All right. And I'm going to put in equals capital H 27 plus H 28. And what that's going to do, it's going to add these two lines together. So I give me the total recipe cost. It's going to add all these lines are going to sum up and 420. All right. So you still have the total plate cost that's here, but you need to change the equation that's in this cell. All right, because prior to this, the total plate cost was actually doing what we just did for the total recipe cost. So you're going to double click on this cell here. And then in that cell, you're going to put equals, all right, H30. And then you're going to put the backslash, so you're going to divide it by however many portions it is in your recipe that this is. So for my purposes here, I'm going to put in a 4. So this separates it into 4 equal portions. And after I do that, you can see it's telling me that my recipe cost was 420, but divided it by 4, each portion or each plate is going to cost $1.05, okay, for what we're doing here. Now, another thing you all need to do is actually put in a food cost percent right here. Okay, I'm going to put in a 35% food cost, which we write in the decimal form of 0.35. All right, 0.35. And what's going to happen there is then your preliminary selling price is going to come up at $3. It's going to come up at $3. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that. So with this price, maybe I want to do a little bit lower of a food cost on it. And just for argument's sake, this really is a price that you're going to come up with, but you're going to have a reason for it. All right, I'm going to put a price in here of $4.99. All right, $4.99 just because. Okay, and once I do that as well, with my actual food cost, so it's going to recalculate the money and tell you that your actual food cost on this dish is 21%. And like I said, that's how when we go through this whole project, not all of your dishes are going to be priced at the same amount. Some are going to be priced at a higher food cost percent for a specific reason. Some are going to be costed at a lower food cost percent, again, for a specific reason. All right, so make sure you go into your cost cards and make that little tweak to each one. So then you be able to have all your information here at the bottom. Okay. Any questions? Don't be afraid to email me, and I will give you help. All right. Thanks a lot. Take care.